Hi, everybody. So today we're going to be talking about simple interest. Now, interest is either money that's paid to you or that you pay for having a bank account or taking out a loan. So if you put money in a bank, they're paying you interest. They use that money then to loan to other people who then pay them interest. If you have a credit card, you borrow money, you're paying interest, which is extra money on top of that for borrowing that money. It's like a fee. So the formula we're using is going to be I equals PRT. So interest, which is the I, equals the principal, which is the P, times the rate, which is a percent, which if changed to a decimal, times the time. So interest equals principal times rate times time. All right. Easiest way to explain this is to show it. So we have here, if a loan is for $400 with an interest rate of 4% for 4 years, how much interest will a person pay? So the $400, that's my principal. The rate is 4%. So we're going to convert this to 0.04, which we're multiplied by as decimal. And then this is going to be our time. So for our case here, interest equals 400 times 0.04 times 4. So principal, rate, and time. So we're looking for how much interest. We don't care about what's in the account. We just care about how much interest. So 400 times 0.04 times 4. So 400 times 0.04 times 4. You're going to wind up paying $64. So in this case, your interest is $64 over those 4 years. All right, so that's going to be your interest. Now for the next one, a bank pays 2.5% interest. Now this is money going to you. So this is going to be our rate. How much will be in the account? Now we're looking for the total. How much will be in the account? Means we want the total. That's the interest plus the money that was already there. $5,000 is our principal and 18 months. But the thing is, we want our time in years. So 18 months is equal to 1.5 years because of the 12 months in a year. So in this case, we're still going to use the same thing. I equals PRT. We're looking for our interest. It's going to be our principal, which is 5,000, times our rate, which we're going to convert 2.5 to 0.025 times 0.025 times our time, which is 1.5. So 5,000 times 0.025 times 1.5. So 5,000 times 0.025 times 1.5 years. We wind up with 187.50. Remember, this is going to have an extra zero at the end of it. This is going to be my interest of $187.50. But that's just my interest. What I'm going to have to do then is I'm going to have to add this to the $5,000. So let me change colors here. This will be now the 5,000 that was already in the account plus the 187.50. So we're on it with $5,187.50. So why this one is so much is because we're asking for how much will be in the account, which means we still have to add this $5,000 that was there plus the interest. This one, we're only looking for how much interest for the one above it. All right, again, simple interest. I equals PRT. I is your interest. P is the principal or the money. R is your rate as a percent, which we have to convert to a decimal to calculate with. And T is for time. All right. So again, interest rates today. Have a great day, and I'll see everyone in class next time.